Hi everyone, this is 𝗂𝘂𝗵𝗃 from 𝗂𝘂𝗶-𝗵𝗃. Today I'm going to explain about Zoho Creator inbuilt option, which is approvals and Zoho blueprints. And let's create a new application, particularly for demonstrating approval and blueprint process. Here I am in the Zoho Creator 5 interface. In the right side, you can see the new application. Just tap on that. And now we are going to create it from scratch. Approval and blueprints. Once it's created, we have to create a form which is called employees. And we have to name the employees. Employee name. And number of leave balances. And this is for number of leave balances available for the particular expert. Okay. And then we have to create a new form which is called leave and leave form. We have to look up the employees from the employee from employees and the employee name. Okay. And from this state, from this state to leave to date. Okay. And the multi-line for the reason. Okay, so this is how we have created a two forms, which is called employees and leave form. This leave form, you can see the leave from and the leave to and the reason for leave. Okay, in this application, what we are going to do is we have to approve the leave for the particular employee if the leave balance is available. If it's not, we have to reject it, or it will be automatically rejected. Okay, let's get into that. After we successfully created a leave form, we have to arrange an approval for the leave form. Okay, so for that, you can see edit this application in the top right corner. Just tap on that, and you have to tap on the workflow session. In the workflow session, you can see the form workflows, schedules, approvals, payments, blueprints, patch workflows, and functions. In this, we have to use an approval. Just tap on that, tap on create a workflow, and you have to select the appropriate form where you want to create an approval function. Just tap on the leave form because we just need to apply the leave form for the particular employees. For that reason, I just tapped on a leave form and name the workflow. Leave approval request. Okay, in here you can see run this process always or on condition. Only if the employees have a leave above 0, then only they can be able to apply the leave. For that, I am going to tap on a apply condition on condition, and here we have to choose a field which is number of leaves is greater than 0. Okay, this is a condition based process. Okay, just tap on a create workflow, and here you can see add new approval. Add new approver means who else can able to have an access for that approve and reject. Okay, once we tap on the add new approver, you can see the type as an user, role, and field. And here the user means whoever is having an access for this complete application, they will be having an access for approve and reject. Here you can see 𝗭𝘂𝗵𝗃 will be having an access if we tap on this. Once we tap on that, it will be automatically selected. And what we need to do is we need to save an approval. For the demonstration purpose, I just selected as an user and tapping on save approval. After it's successfully saved, you can go ahead and see execute without condition, send email to approver submitter. Okay, so once you tap on that, from this email ID, from the login user, the submitter will be receiving an email which is your request have been approved once if we approve the request. Okay, so this is what it will look. Once you tap on the done, it will be automatically saved. Now what we have to do is we have to create a new leave request. For that, I'm just accessing this application. Just tap on the access this application. Once you tapped on that, you can go ahead and see the new approval form have been created automatically. Okay, so in that, it's not a form, it's a report kind of thing. If there are any pending tasks created in a leave form, it will be shown up here. If it's completed means approved or rejected. Those things will be fetched up and shown here. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a leave request for the particular employee. Okay, so you can go ahead and see all employees. Now 𝗪𝗂𝗹-𝗃𝗃 having 20 leave balances. So now I'm going to request a leave request. Okay, so 27 to 30. Once you tap on a submit, what will happen is the receiver will be receiving a notification. You can go ahead and see this is the user who is having an access for the application, and here in the notifications you can go ahead and see they will be receiving a notification to approve or reject. Okay, so in this here also in the pending tasks, it's mentioned leave request form user one demo. This is the main applications pending for review. Okay, so if you tap on a review, you can go ahead and approve or reject. If you approve, you have to mention a comment. Just tap on approve. It will be on a complete task. This is what the approval process looks. And now we can go ahead and move on to the blueprint process.